Hello, in today's video we will go through how to set up the registration free LiteView2 deployment. In the last video we have set up the LiteView2 for the registered mode, that is with the regsvr32, but in today's video we will use the LiteView2 without actually registering it. That is actually fully supported built-in feature of LiteView2. So let's first of all download the trial, because the very first thing that you will need is the LiteView2 binaries. Click here and your download has been started. Completed. Now we are going to extract it in this folder. Let's see. Yes, we have 7-zip. Now if we open, you will find the demos already working. You can see these are the available forms in the demo that you actually download with the trial. So as you can see, they are all working ones like this. For example, this one, which is actually fully binded with the original data, and many more. However, how you can actually set it up? So first of all, we will prove that this is actually really the registration free without actually registering it. Let us move them here. Now the path to this OCX is changed, and you can see now it won't run. Yes, because the path is actually not found, so it is not registered. All right, so let us get them back here. Now we will actually create a brand new Access database so that we can actually perform it from the scratch. Downloads. Let's rename it to somewhat Reg-Free deployment. Let's create a blank form. Now in the registered mode, we actually went here and selected the LiteView2 control. But now, because we are going to demonstrate how to use it without registering. So we will add a rectangle that will actually host the WebView2, and let us rename it to browser. Whatever the name you think is better for your use case, you can actually rename that. I am doing this because I have the boilerplate on the website with this frame control name. So let us also create a button for a local content, cmd local, create an other one, cmd web, or maybe cmd url, and one more control that will actually make us able to use any of the URL. So txt URL, also their captions, load local content, and load web content. The design has been completed. Reg-free mode. We will also now this is the brand new form, and now you will go to website and API docs. This is actually for the registered mode. We will go to iBrowser pool, and in this page you will find we will actually need a bootstrap module so that we can set up the OCX path and make it available without registering it. Copy this entire module, paste it. Now this line is very important to be commented out during the trial period, because when if you purchase the licensing key after 30 days, then you will need this line actually. So for now, this should be commented out for 30 days, and after that you will need this boilerplate code for the registration free form. Every form will actually have this boilerplate code. So now this you need to uh, go here, paste it here, and for the CMD local, that is to render the local content, we will actually copy this line, paste it here, and we have an HTML form. This is the real name of our local content file. There is an other button that we need to code, and this is the load local web content. So if length of me.txt URL is greater than 0, then we will actually be using the same line. The syntax is almost same. The only difference is that we will put it here me.txt URL only, and if so, compile it. Let us run the form. There you go. Because we have actually used the form that has some kind of progress bar which will load the content from a table, but I think we should change it. Yes, this is the local content, and now we are going to test the web content. Maybe bing.com. Here it is. All right, you can see it is fully responsive, and entire content is visible. This is the local content. This is the web content, and you can see there is no 3-second delay in displaying the local content or local HTML file. It is quickly loaded. All right. So this is the actually entire code that is being run. Let us run it in the debug mode as well. The web content, here it is. The local content, here it is. So this was how to use LiteView2 in the using the registration free deployment method. Thank you very much for sticking around, and we will see you in the next video.